Hey, George, I've got a question for you. What's the difference between the five HubSpot hubs: Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, Operations Hub, and Content Hub, where we can build websites, do podcasts, and even all sorts of other things? Can you just tell me the difference between those five hubs?
HubSpot's five main hubs are like the Avengers of business tools. Each one has its own superpower, but together they're unstoppable. Here's the rundown. First up, the Marketing Hub. This is your go-to for attracting and nurturing leads. Think email marketing, social media management, ad campaigns, and automation. It's all about pulling people into your orbit and keeping them engaged. If you're trying to grow your audience and convert them into customers, this hub is your best friend. Next, the Sales Hub. This one's all about closing deals and managing relationships. It's got tools like pipelines, email tracking, meeting schedulers, and even quotes. It's designed to make your sales process smoother and more efficient so your team can focus on building connections and sealing the deal. Then there's the Service Hub. This is where you delight your customers and keep them coming back. It's packed with tools like ticketing systems, a knowledge base, live chat, and customer feedback surveys. It's all about creating a seamless support experience and turning customers into loyal advocates. Now, the Operations Hub is a bit different. It's like the glue that holds everything together. This hub focuses on data hygiene, automation, and syncing your tools. It's perfect for RevOps teams who want to streamline processes and make sure all the data across your systems is clean and connected. Finally, the Content Hub, also known as the CMS Hub. This is where you build and optimize your website, landing pages, and even host podcasts or blogs. It's got personalization, SEO tools, and everything you need to create a killer online presence. If your website is the face of your business, this hub makes sure it's looking sharp and working hard. Now here's the kicker. While each hub is powerful on its own, the real magic happens when you use them together. Because HubSpot's CRM ties everything into one unified system, your data flows seamlessly across all the hubs. That means you get a full view of your customer journey, from the first click to the final handshake and beyond. So, which one of these hubs do you think could be your business's secret weapon, or are you thinking about assembling the whole squad?